How to connect V2Box VPN. I'm going to tell you how to connect V2Box VPN and start using it right away. Once you have the V2Box app installed, open it and make sure you've already added a V2 Ray or VLAS server. If you haven't yet, tap the plus button to scan a QR code or paste a subscription link from your VPN provider. After adding it, you'll see the server listed on the home screen. Now to connect, just tap the switch or connect button next to the server. If everything's working, you'll see status info like connected time, upload or download speed, and your new IP address. You can now minimize the app and your internet will be routed through the secure server. If it fails to connect, check your link or try switching networks. But in most cases, once the config is right, it's one tap to go fully private.